Fast and delicious chicken soup ready in 30 minutes. A lot of people might find it hard to come up with meal solutions that are both healthy and satisfying, especially when it comes to homemade soup. But I'm here to let you know it is easy as one, two, three. So in today's video, we're going to go through the ingredients step by step, and we're going to really enhance this flavor of this homemade chicken soup that is perfect for the holidays, for the winter months, and to help knock out that cold and flu that has been haggling your family, your children. So let's get started. So as you saw, I already came up with the holy grail of your pot to season your chicken soup with, and that was the onions, the garlic, the celery, the ginger. And then you saw that I had my chicken thighs out with some delicious seasonings, which I'll show you in a little while, that really help to bring out the flavor in your soup. So I have already sauteed and sweat down my vegetables, and I'm taking them out because I still want to use all the flavor at the bottom of that pot for my next step. Okay, so now comes the step where we saute, we halfway cook our chicken thighs. I like to cook it 75% of the way on both sides to make sure that it is done almost. I like to use a nice, delicious sweet potato. Okay, so back to the sauteing. So I've got my chicken thighs in there, and I'm turning them over because, again, like I said before, I'm trying to get these chicken thighs cooked 75% of the way. You saw I did all that delicious marinating to my chicken, so this is really helping to season the bottom of my pot for a very delicious tasting homemade chicken soup. You are absolutely going to love this because it is packed with flavor, but yet all of these ingredients in here are good anti-inflammatories. This all the way from the seasonings to the vegetables of choice. You saw that I used garlic, ginger. All of those are great anti-inflammatories and will help knock out that cold, that flu that you or your family might be struggling with. So now it's time to take those chicken thighs out, you guys. And I've got all of that delicious seasoning right at the bottom of my pot. that is now going to flavor all the rest of my vegetables, which I'm going to cook halfway through because I want to make sure that when I put all of these things together, this is going to come out great. I'm putting in my sweet potatoes and I'm putting in my sweated down trio. Okay, guys, I don't like huge pieces of chicken, so I'm chopping down my chicken. My 8-year-old grandson really enjoys things being cut down to bite-sized pieces. That's my choice. It's my preference to have nice, petite, bite-sized pieces when I go to eat my soup or even with my meals. I really enjoy having it small, chopped. How about you? Put in the comments below if you choose to have your vegetables and your meat finely chopped, or do you prefer chunks? What do you guys prefer when it comes to soup or when it comes to meals? So now, guys, I'm putting in my spring water. Yes, spring water. You really want to get the best. So you really want to get the best ingredients in this soup because this is not only a homemade, comforting, delicious, easy soup, but it's also help fighting colds and flus and any respiratory system or immune system issue that you're dealing with. This is perfect for you and your family, and it's really gonna aid in helping you this winter season. Now, did you know that bay leaves, I got 3 bay leaves in there, guys, and bay leaves are so powerful. It is antimicrobial and it helps with your immune system. So many good properties to those bay leaves. Look it up. Tell me what you find with bay leaves. And do you cook bay leaves in your soups? Let me know. And in your stews. So I've got carrots in there now. And I'm adding the last of my vegetables. These are things I like to add at the last minute because I really want to get the flavor and the nutrients out of these vegetables. And so now I'm going in with broccoli. You know, broccoli cooks really quickly. So I don't want to go too long with having my broccoli in my pot because when I go to serve this, I want to see that nice green, vibrant color in that broccoli. I don't want to see it brown. Once you see it brown, the nutrients of that broccoli, the nutrients of your tender vegetables tend to go right into away, really. So I love to add that at the last minute. And of course, I gotta come in with that chicken-based bouillon. Now, I believe that the flavor of or the name brand of this chicken-based bouillon is called Better Than Bouillon. Put in the comments if I got that right. I think that's the name of it. Is it called Better Than Bouillon, you guys? Let me know in the comment section. But this is my #1 go-to flavoring when it comes to soups, stews, even sautés. I love using Better Than Bouillon. So I've got it all mixed up, you guys. And I love tasting my food before I present it to my family. That's just an old school thing I do. I saw my grandmother do it. I do it. I want to make sure that it's not too salty, it's good flavor. You know, I just like checking it out. I got an 8-year-old, so I'm just trying to make sure. Okay, so now it's ready to serve. So I'm getting ready to plate this up and put it in my bowl. Now this is ready to serve. This took me no more than 15 to 30 minutes to make. It's really quick. It's really easy. Your family's going to love this. If you like videos like this, I want you to go ahead and watch my other videos on quick and easy recipes that you can serve your family that are healthy and delicious, packed full of flavor. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel and let me know what you think in the comments. And until next time, God bless.